Good day, ma'am. So, pangatlo po ako sa magre-report tungkol sa Module 2, which is about the data collection and procedure. So, sa Lesson 3 is itatackle namin yung some pointers in conducting survey. So, ang itatackle ko po, i-discuss ko po sa inyo is about sa number 4, 5, and 6. So, the number 4 is the avoid loaded or leading words or questions. So, a small change in content can produce effective results. Words such as could, should, might are all used for almost the same purpose, but may produce a 20% difference in agreement to a question. For example, the management could, should, might have shut the factory. So, iwasan natin gumamit ng loaded or leading words or questions, meaning huwag gumamit ng words na parang nagsasuggest lang. Di ba yung could is, sa Tagalog is maaari, and then yung should is dapat, and then might is baka. So, parang nagsasabi lang na baka close na lang sana ng management yung factory doon sa the management could have shut the factory. Then the management should have shut the factory. Tunog nagsasuggest na siya na kinlos dapat ng management yung factory. So, konting change lang sa wording natin ay may effect na sa result. Then for example din nga, di ba yung mga words na could sa Tagalog is maaari, should is dapat, and might is baka, ay may effect na ito. So, avoid din natin yung mga intense word kagaya ng prohibit or action. Pag sinabi nating prohibit is iwasan, action is gagawa ka ng action. Kasi ganun din ang effect nila na parang subconsciously kasi nalilid yung reader ko ano ang dapat isipin niya. Kaya parang nagkakaroon ito ng epekto sa magiging response nila sa question mo tungkol sa survey. Next is the number 5, misplaced questions. So, questions should always have reference to the intended context. Questions placed out of order or without its requirement should be avoided. Generally, a funnel approach should be implement generic questions, should be included in the initial section of the questionnaire as a warm-up. Specific ones should follow, and toward demographic or geographic questions should be included. So, misplaced questions. So, i-avoid din natin yung misplaced questions. Yung questions dapat laging may basis or may reference ka sa kung anong context man yung tanong mo. Then, yung mga out of place na questions, avoid din natin. Like yung mga out of order or hindi siya connected. Or di naman required sa question. So, dapat ang gamitin natin generally a funnel approach or mga generic na questions na nasa unahan bilang warm-up questions. Tas, pa-specific towards the end, mga questions regarding demographic or geographic questions meron din. For example, di ba yung mga demographic or geographic questions is andyan yung pangalan nila, pero optional lang yon. Andyan yung age nila, birthday, address, etc. Then, sa number 6 is mutually non-overlapping response category. So, multiple choice answers should be mutually unique in order to provide distinct choices. Overlapping answer options frustrate the respondent and make interpretation difficult at best. Also, the question should always be precise. For example, do you like water juice? This question is vague. In which term is liking or just to be rated, sweetness, texture, price, or nutrition. So, mutually non-overlapping response category. So, multiple choice answers ay dapat distinct at magkakaiba from each other. So, unique dapat yung choices nila. Overlapping answer options or yung mga answer options na parang magkakamukha or iisa yung sinasabi ay pinapahirapan ng mga nag-interview yung mga respondent. Nakakasama rin sa pagkakaintindi nila na sa question at sa mga sagot nila. So, avoid din ang vague ng questions. Dapat lang precise. For example, pag tinanong mo, do you like water juice? Vague masyado to kasi maraming pwedeng isagot kaya mali. So, dapat ganito. In which term is liking an orange is to be rated or base mo lang yung pagkagusto mo sa orange juice sa kanyang sweetness ba, sa texture niya, sa nutrition, or kung ano pa man. So, yun lamang po ma'am yung report ko. Thank you for listening at pasensya na po, kinakabahan. Thank you po.